Welcome back. In this lesson, we're continuing our discussion on financial planning for weight loss surgery, focusing on exploring financing options. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the cost of surgery, don't worry, there are plenty of ways to make it more affordable. Today, we'll cover medical loans and discuss what they are, payment plans, and how they work. Crowdfunding to get support from your community. How to negotiate costs with your insurance provider. Then we will discuss combining all of those options for success. By the end of this lesson, you'll have practical strategies to help fund your surgery and take a confident step forward. Let's dive in. If you need to cover surgery costs up front, a medical loan can be a helpful solution. These loans are specifically designed to pay for healthcare expenses, including weight loss surgery. What are medical loans? Medical loans are personal loans offered by banks, credit unions, or specialized lenders. They allow you to pay for your surgery up front and then repay the loan in monthly installments. Where to find medical loans? Some popular options for medical loans include Care Credit, a healthcare credit card that offers interest-free promotional periods if paid off within a set time frame. Prosper Healthcare Lending specializes in loans for medical procedures, including bariatric surgery. Local banks or credit unions. They may offer personal loans with competitive interest rates. Things to consider before taking a medical loan. Before committing to a loan, consider interest rates. Compare rates to find the lowest option. Some loans offer 0% interest for a promotional period. Monthly payments. Make sure the monthly payments fit within your budget. Fees. Check for application fees, late payment fees, or penalties for paying off the loan early. If you're approved for a medical loan, use it only for surgery-related costs to avoid overextending yourself financially. If you'd prefer not to take out a loan, many bariatric surgeons offer payment plans directly through their office. How payment plans work. Payment plans allow you to break the total cost of surgery into smaller, manageable payments over time. Some surgeons require payments to be completed before the surgery, while others allow post-surgery installments. Benefits of payment plans. No need to apply for external loans or credit. Often have little to no interest compared to medical loans. Flexibility to work directly with your surgeon's office. How to set up a payment plan. Ask your surgeon's office the following questions. Do you offer payment plans for bariatric surgery? What are the terms of the plan? For example, number of payments, deadlines. Are there any additional fees or interest? Many practices are willing to work with patients to make surgery more accessible, so don't hesitate to ask. Crowdfunding is another option for financing your surgery, especially if you have a supportive network of family and friends. What is crowdfunding? Crowdfunding allows you to raise money from a community of supporters through online platforms like GoFundMe, Fundraiser, or Give, Send, Go. You create a campaign, share your story, and ask for donations to help cover your surgery costs. How to create a successful crowdfunding campaign. Here are some tips for creating a compelling campaign. Share your story. Explain why you're pursuing surgery and how it will change your life. Be honest and heartfelt. People are more likely to support causes they connect with emotionally. Set a realistic goal. Be clear about how much money you need and what it will cover, such as surgery, travel, or post-op care. Use photos and videos. Include before and after photos, videos of your journey, or personal messages to make your campaign more engaging. Promote your campaign. Share your campaign on social media, email, or even local community groups. Don't be afraid to ask friends and family to share it with their networks. Crowdfunding can be a powerful way to get financial help while building a support system of people cheering you on. If your insurance covers weight loss surgery, but the out-of-pocket costs are high, negotiating with your insurance provider can help reduce expenses. Why negotiating works. Insurance companies aim to minimize long-term costs and may be willing to reduce the upfront expense of weight loss surgery, recognizing that it can lower future costs associated with obesity-related conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure. Steps to negotiate costs. Understand your policy. Review your policy to know exactly what's covered and what you're responsible for. Confirm your deductible, co-pays, and out-of-pocket maximums. Gather supporting documentation. Collect letters of medical necessity from your doctor. Provide evidence of obesity-related health conditions like diabetes or sleep apnea to strengthen your case. Call your insurance provider. Use these key phrases. I'd like to request a review of my out-of-pocket costs for bariatric surgery. This surgery is medically necessary for my health, and I'd like to discuss reducing my financial responsibility. Can you check if there are any programs or exceptions available for my case? Be persistent. If the first representative can't help, ask to speak with a supervisor or appeals department. Request payment flexibility. Ask if they offer installment plans for out-of-pocket costs to make payments more manageable. Get help from your surgeon's office. Many bariatric practices have insurance specialists who can assist with negotiations or appeals. They often have experience working with insurance providers and can advocate on your behalf. Sometimes, the best approach is to combine multiple financing options just like the ones we discussed. For example, use a crowdfunding campaign to raise some of the money that you need for surgery. Then set up a payment plan with your surgeon's office for the remaining balance. After that, apply for a medical loan if you need to cover additional costs. The key is to explore all available resources and choose the combination that works best for your financial situation. To explore your financing options, complete the following steps. Research at least 2 medical loan providers and compare their terms. Call your surgeon's office to ask about payment plans or discounts for cash payments. Brainstorm ideas for a crowdfunding campaign, including your story and potential supporters. These steps will give you a clear path to fund your surgery without unnecessary stress. Financing your weight loss surgery might feel like a challenge, but with the right tools and strategies, it's absolutely achievable. Remember, this is an investment in your health and future, and there's no price tag on the happiness and confidence you'll gain. You've got this. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you in the next lesson.